Hello, fourth grade. We are starting the process of the state population research. That's hard to say. Anyways, in Schoology, I have created a folder for fourth grade state research project at the top of your screen. The very first thing that we will do, I will hand out a worksheet that includes, I need you to fill out to put your name, your class code, whose class you're in, and the state. It's very important that you read all of these instructions. So the very first step, go to KFF population page, choose your state on the left-hand side. Under data view, choose number and scroll over to see the total population of your state. Record the population here. So in the state research file, I have the KFF population page. It will show the information that you need for your state. Mine is set to Maine because that is the state that I chose. The very first statement, it said to change the data view to number, and it asked to find the population for your state. So you need to come down and locate your state and click on it. And it will give a number of how many whites are in Maine, blacks, Hispanic. I will scroll over the best I can, and it gives me the number of the total population of Maine, 1,321,600. I need to write that number on my worksheet right here. Okay, that's the first thing I'll be looking for. Then under the data view, choose percent, and under locations, choose United States. Record the information below. So under data, I need to change that to percent. Do not select anything in distributions. You need to select United States and your state. You will come up here and you will see the percent of whites in United States. Percentage of whites in Maine is 92%. You need to put all of these numbers in your worksheet along in here. So how many whites, the percent. So I need to write the percentage of each population here along state, and here we will put a percentage for USA. Okay, so that's the first part of your process of collecting the data using the KFF population page. Then it says go to Schoology and make 2 pie charts. State population sheet and chart link in Schoology. Input your data from this sheet into the 2 charts. So we will go here, click on the state population sheet and chart. You will open it up. You will put your numbers, again, to input your data, put just the number for the percentage, no percent sign needed. You need to put your numbers for the state population, for each race there, and United States right there. That will help us make 2 separate charts. So you've opened it up, then it will look like this. I've included my Maine population, and I've included the United States population. This is where we are going to stop for the first lesson. So once you have completed all this information and have input your data into your worksheet or into your Google Sheet just like this, then you will stop and we will move on together for the next stage. So I look forward to seeing how you follow these instructions and collect your data. Have a great day.